How to set up and use the K35 microphone. 1. Unboxing. Carefully open the box and remove all contents. You should find the K35 microphone, a user manual, a stand or mount, a USB or XLR cable, and any included accessories. 2. Assembling the microphone. Attach the microphone to the stand or mount. If a shock mount is included, secure the microphone within it to reduce vibrations and handling noise. Ensure the microphone is firmly attached and positioned at a comfortable height and angle for recording. 3. Connecting the microphone. USB connection. Plug the USB cable into the microphone. Connect the other end of the USB cable to your computer's USB port. XLR connection. Plug the XLR cable into the microphone. Connect the other end of the XLR cable to your audio interface or mixer. 4. Setting up on your computer. Windows. Go to Control Panel Hardware and Sound. Under the Recording tab, select the K35 microphone and set it as the default device. Mac. Go to System Preferences Sound. Under the Input tab, select the K35 microphone. 5. Adjusting settings. Open your preferred recording software, e.g., Audacity, GarageBand, OBS. In the software settings, select the K35 microphone as the input device. Adjust the gain and volume levels to ensure clear audio without distortion. Test by speaking into the microphone and monitoring the levels. 6. Positioning and using the microphone. Position the microphone about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth. Adjust the distance based on your vocal style and the microphone sensitivity. Use a pop filter to reduce plosive sounds, like P and beat sounds. Speak directly into the microphone for optimal sound quality. 7. Recording. Press record in your recording software and start speaking or playing your instrument. Monitor the recording levels and adjust as needed to prevent clipping or distortion. 8. Post-recording. After recording, listen to your audio and make any necessary edits or adjustments in your software. Apply noise reduction, equalization, and other effects as desired to enhance the audio quality. 9. Maintenance. Regularly clean the microphone with a soft cloth to remove dust and fingerprints. Store the microphone in a safe, dry place when not in use to protect it from damage. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up and use your K35 microphone effectively for high-quality recordings. Enjoy your new microphone, and happy recording. Hopefully, you've enjoyed my video. Please subscribe, comment, and check my links below.